They hit only inches from the man.
They hit only inches from the man. From the man.
Okay, let's get into a rhythm here and let's repeat these two words together. Listen to me. They, the.
They, the.
Yes, good. That's an exercise, right? You can exercise your tongue, Ahmed. So before you start reading,
Okay.
exercise this sound before you start reading so you can remind yourself to correct yourself.
Okay.
Okay? They hit only inches from the man.
They hit only inches from the man.
The man is really lucky.
The man is really lucky.
He jumps away
He jumps away,
and cars don't hit him.
and the cars don't hit him.
He is fine.
He is fine.
Alrighty. So, Ahmed, I know I just met you, but if I were to give you some homework, I would definitely say practice the TH sound. They,
Okay.
the.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one piece of advice. And this piece of advice is important because it's your foundation. If you don't fix this problem now, you won't sound good later.
Okay, I will fix this problem. They,
Okay.
I promise you.
Good job, Ahmed.